Asundskeittiö Puimuripuisto.
It's the 4th of May 2022. We have Pukinmäenkaari, Volkswagen 3 to 5 staircase here in Malmi, Helsinki, Finland, and the serial number here is actually H67492, so it has to be 93 in L in the staircase L, which we'll go to soon. Very weird. It's 91 in F, and in H it's 94.
Yeah.
It was built late 1993. If it's not late 1993, it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2023, when it's turning 30 years old. This one has a green star, just like the Status H here.
Yeah.
Only two that have it, but we haven't seen the Status L yet, but we'll see it soon. Let's take 2 rides here. It's also a bit vandalized here.
Yeah. Expected parking wise maintained by Kone.
It looks like there's 3 buttons like pressed inside like that.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah.
I'll try to press this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it works. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the Status L here. This was the last one to be filmed in this. Since you're doing 7 out of 7 here. 7 cases.
That's